Good morning, InstaFam. Yo, what's up, guys? BB here, and guess what? Today's gonna be crazy. Why? Because we're diving headfirst into every viral trend blowing up India right now. First things first, gotta tackle this new smart coffee maker everyone's raving about. Supposed to make the perfect cup every time. Let's see if it survives my morning clumsiness. Oh, and did I mention? My family's in on the chaos too. Expect some epic pranks and maybe even a dance-off with Dad. Stay tuned, fam. This is gonna be lit. Alright guys, time for breakfast. But this ain't your regular toast and chai kind of breakfast. Nah, we're going in on the fiery inferno that is the spicy noodle challenge. Let me tell you, those noodles were hot. Like dragon's breath hot. I'm sweating, I'm tearing up. I think I even saw smoke coming out of my ears. Don't worry, Mom came to the rescue with a gallon of lassi. Lifesaver. Moral of the story? Don't underestimate the power of spicy noodles. Or my mom's lassi. They're both legendary. Alright guys, it's time to switch gears and hit up the gaming world. And the best part, we just hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. To celebrate, I promised you guys a facecam reveal. I know, the suspense has been killing you, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Get ready for the most epic, most handsome, Okay, I'll stop there. Let's just say you don't want to miss this. Okay guys, I'll admit it, this game is testing my patience, and my sanity, and my ability to not throw my controller across the room. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? The highs, the lows, the epic wins, and the rage-inducing defeats. It's all about the journey, baby. Plus, it makes for some hilarious content for you guys. You're welcome. Section 5. This viral gadget is trash. So, you know that super cool gadget everyone's been raving about? The one that's supposed to make your life easier and more organized? Yeah, I bought it. And let me tell you, it's a scam. This thing broke within 5 minutes of me taking it out of the box. And not just a little broken, like completely kaput. I'm talking sparks flying, smoke billowing, the whole shebang. Don't believe the hype, people. Stick to the classics. Or maybe just stick to watching me try out these gadgets so you don't have to. You're welcome. Section 6. From Zero to Hero, My Journey. Alright guys, time for a little heart-to-heart. I know I joke around a lot, but seriously, I wouldn't be here without you. Your support means the world to me. A few years ago, I was just a regular dude with a dream. I never imagined my silly videos would connect with so many people. You guys have given me the confidence to be myself, to push my boundaries, and to chase my passions. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart. Section 7, big things coming soon. Okay guys, I've got a little secret to spill. Remember that big creator I told you I was a huge fan of? Yeah, well, get ready to freak out because we're collaborating. I can't reveal too much yet, but let's just say it's going to be epic. Think laughter, challenges, and maybe even some singing. Don't worry, I'll spare your ears. Stay tuned, fam. This is gonna be huge. Section 8, what's next? You decide. So fam, that was my crazy 24 hours of trying every viral trend in India. What did you think? What was your favorite part? More importantly, what trend should I try next? Hit me up in the comments. Let's keep this viral train rolling. Peace out.